Still struggling to capture the exquisite texture of your bracelets? Hiring a professional team is not only costly but often fails to meet the expectation of exuding elegance at first glance. Don't worry, the SellerPic AI solves the problem in one click. After accessing the tool, 3 convenient upload methods are available. Avoid uploading images of multiple bracelets stacked or hands blocking the bracelet's details. Prioritize front-facing product images and clear, background-free original photos for more accurate results. You can choose styles from the platform's extensive model library and select hand poses, such as natural hanging, gently lifting the wrist, or fingertips touching the chain, to precisely match your target audience's aesthetic preferences. When selecting a model, try to choose a model template with a wrist size similar to the bracelet's intended fit. This will result in more accurate and higher quality generated images. Multiple image ratios and model skin tones are also offered to adapt to different scenarios like e-commerce product pages and social media promotion. You can select the number of images you want to generate, then click Generate. Once you've set the basic parameters, use the comparison feature to intuitively check the bracelet's fit on the wrist and how well the chain length complements the hand's lines. If satisfied with the result, click to download directly. 3 common formats are available. If you have optimization suggestions, submit feedback via the triangle icon in the upper right corner for a prompt response. Generated materials can also be scheduled for one-click publication to your store or social media accounts, eliminating repetitive tasks. No longer stuck with creative block or burdened by high design costs. Now log on to www.sellerpic.ai and use striking visual materials to make your bracelets stand out among numerous products, quickly capture consumers' attention, and boost conversion rates.